Hey guys, what's up? We're fishing and is it recording?
Yep.
All right.
It is.
Sweet. Well, we haven't caught any fish, but we have caught sticks. So you're gonna watch us freaking catch sticks today.
Yeah, because sticks are pretty freaking amazing to catch. Hi, I'm Riley, the other one.
I'm gonna grab my fishing pole.
So we got our bag.
I'm gonna catch it.
You gonna catch it?
No.
Hold on.
Oh, move.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he's got her. I can't go anymore.
All right. Where can I set your phone up?
Don't set it. It's alright. Just wait.
Hold on.
I can set it up here.
Can I?
Ready for this? Yoink. Oh.
Yoink.
Catch it! Dang it. Yoink. Alright. Look out. We're going for a ride. Wait. We're gonna catch it.
You're
We're
going
gonna
to catch it. Are you going to catch it?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch it.
Oh, y'all going to catch it.
Yeah. What? Cause watch this. Yeah.
I got it. It's set up, and I think it's recording us.
Here we go.
Okay, so like you can see where someone slipped right here.
That was probably Nolan. Or
Yeah. Cause that was Nolan.
Oh.
That wasn't. Cause that's not Josh. Cause Josh's feet are smaller than mine.
Oh yes, Riley.
Did you get it?
No, but I'm about to.
No.
Ah!
Not if I get it first.
Ah! Now you're the next one to make
Whoa! I'm coming back up. I wish it was recording me do that.
That would have been some great content. Okay, so if you don't know who Josh is, he is a YouTuber. You should go check his channel out. It's called Crankbait Crisis.
They probably came here from his channel, not gonna lie. Or from my channel, which all my subscribers pretty much came from his channel.
I will literally link or try my best to link both of their channels down in the description.
My channel too?
Yeah, I said both of their channels.
Yeah! Oh my god, there it is.
You won't?
And I didn't.
There's probably a mountain lion, dude. It's probably just like watching us. And it's probably gonna come try to kill us.
Like, dinner.
Yum. I will smack it in the head with a fishing pole.
You catch it from one side, I catch it from the other.
There's one right here.
A mountain lion?
Yeah. He's coming for us, right?
Where?
Wait, John! He's mine! You?
No, mine.
Booty butthole! I hate you! Mine!
Dang it, I snagged you.
This stick is on mine.
Dang it.
Yeet! I have to go down there and grab you.
Oi.
Yeet! Oh!
You got it.
Heckin'.
Show the camera.
Yeet, guys.
She caught it.
Heckin' yes! That's heckin' 2 points for me.
Man, I only got 1 point.
Yeet!
No, I got 2 because I caught that other one.
Oh yeah. No, I caught that root, so I'm at 3. I want it. Look how nasty that thing looks. Ew!
Oh, that thing's nasty. I love how they can't see what we're doing at all. Like, they just see us.
Ooh, the sun's coming out. That's pretty nice, man. Here, I'll put my pole down and I'll film real quick.
Cool.
Wait, look back at me. Look back at me. The sun's like hitting your face and it looks pretty cool. All right, guys. So we're down at Bell Creek. Yeah. Oh. Ah! Watch that beautiful cast. I need a GoPro. So
Me too,
so like I can just strap it right here and be able to
Just
film.
like Josh.
Yeah, like fridge. Right, here comes one. Here comes one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there you go. Turn the bait alert off. It's annoying. Right, you see it right there?
I see it.
Catch it.
Oi.
You won't. You won't. Sorry if this is like bad filming, but I'm also trying to move with her. Yeet, yeet. Oh! We're at 5 minutes, Riley. Ugh.
How much storage do you have on your phone?
I have a lot that I can use up real quick. Riley? You're heckin' gonna catch this heckin' dude. She's gonna catch this,
I'm
guys.
scared that there is a mountain lion now.
Ah,
did you just hear that?
Yes, it's fine.
Oi.
She won't catch it. Guys, she won't catch that corn stalk.
Where even is it? Oh, there it is.
I just threw it in there and she's not gonna catch it. You won't, you won't. You're too far off.
That's too far.
Oof, I still need to,
Frick.
should I do a thumbnail or no?
Yeah.
What should the thumbnail be?
Me and Cassie. Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
Ready?
It's like zoomed in, I don't like it. Go. Yite. Okay, I just got my thumbnail. Right, you're probably gonna have to help me edit this.
Alright. Hey, you cut video editor on your phone.
I will. Ow!
What did you
Stick just poked me.
Ah.
Catch him! Catch that big guy.
Ouch, right on my face.
Catch that big old chungus. You. Oh. Yes. Get some birds. Yeet.
Some birds.
No, I got some birds. If I sound like I'm very stuffy because I have a my allergies are killing right now, so that's why I sound stuffy.
I don't like that.
Yeeting dying.
What is this? There's a string around my foot. I'm dying. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Heck and heck. What the frick?
What the hell?
Hold this, hold this, hold this. The heck and heck?
Is it just a string?
Yeah.
It's not attached to anything?
Uh-uh.
What if it had bait on it and someone was just like leaving it in?
What if the bait's gone?
Yeah. But what if it like had a hook on it too?
Hook's gone too.
Yeah. Let's do this. Fishing with one hand.
Here, I'll take it. Oh, I'm dying. Here, Riley, I'm gonna set it up right here.
Is it still gonna work?
Yeah, look at that. That's perfect.
Ah, nice.
All right, move. I need to.
I'm gonna check the frame, see if it can see you.
Ooh.
I got it. Do you think it's gonna storm soon?
We should head out soon.
I don't think it can see you.
The
No.
struggle's freaking real. Oh, I heard a crack. I hear it crack.
Hold on. Here. I'm gonna grab this.
But this has been in there for a while, because look at it.
Should we maybe not do that? 'Cause what if people use that?
We're gonna use it.
That's a root.
Yeah, I know.
So don't pull it out. People, 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 people.
Yoink. Will you grab me the tackle box?
But your pole's on it. More people.
Yoink!
Why is he going so slow? confusion. Where's he going? Wait! Oh my god. I almost fell. Phone.
Go down and wash my hands.
Oy. Oh! Wow. That's a pretty strong rope.
That's a pretty nice weight too.
What's the weight? Oh wow.
Here, I'm gonna go down real quick.
Someone's definitely using that then.
Was.
They might still be coming back.
Look out, look out, look out. Really? How are they supposed to use it anymore? Unless they rehook it.
Yeah, which they probably will. You're right, I don't know that, but they might. That's a pretty... Oh, look at her beautiful thumb. Got hit with a softball.
They're just literally healing now. Heckin' neat.
I wish it saw me fall. There's where I fell.
Excuse me.
Here, you record. I cast.
Really
just a
can't.
little bit.
Hang on. Just go set my phone up somewhere.
Oh, that was a good hurt. Let's see. Ah! Can you like not bug? Too close to the bridge.
Ah! How did we not notice that though?
Cool. All right. Here.
I'm washing my hands.
I'm gonna fish behind you.
The heck in that cold.
Is it? Ah! It's not that cold. I've gone swimming in mountain water. Like,
Yeah.
runoff.
It's chilly, but hey,
That's not high.
maybe learn how to fish then, Riley. Ooh, we're at 12 minutes.
Oh my Record this.
I already got you. The stick is like up your butt. Do you want a bobber?
Right.
I can't help you. Do you want a bobber?
Kinda.
Come here.
We're trying to get out of this. This is good content.
Yay! Oh no, the car's better. There you go.
Keep recording me.
I am.
Okay. Ah.
Get up.
Ah. Okay. Oh my god, look at my foot.
Okay, hello. Oh. Riley. Let me get some of this content here. Her foot is literally submerged.
I can't get it.
Here, grab my hand.
Ah.
You're gonna have to clean your shoes.
These are my school shoes.
And you're gonna have to clean them. Okay, well, you're gonna have to clean those.
Oh, no. I need new shoes anyway.
Giant spider!
You just almost got pulled in the face. Where's? Oh my god! Whoa! Where's your phone? Is it still recording?
Yes, we're hacking done.
Hold on.
Oh, we're gonna go fish on the bridge.
Look at my freaking shoe. You're at 20%.
It's okay. Riley, we're gonna go fish on the bridge, okay?
Freaking.
Grab the bag. Let's go.
Oh my god! It's a spider.
Yeah.
You're fine.
No, I'm not.
How are we supposed to get up? We have to crawl up that.
Yeah.
And my shoe.
Okay. I don't want a fish to get caught in this, so I'm pulling this out.
Frick. I got caught. Unhook that. Wait. Oh yeah. I got it! Yeah!
Hand me stuff then. I'll get up and then you hand me the crap.
Alright.
Careful, my pull-ups unhooked. It's not hooked. I have emerged.
No! Ah!
I have emerged from the depths of Bell Creek.
Is this right side up?
Yeah. Hand me the bottom.
Okay, I'm leaving it there.
Oof. Some great sky content.
Yeah.
Oi. Will you pick my phone up before you step on it? Got it.
Nice. Wait.
Pick up my phone, Riley.
I know it's there and it's recording us still and it's good content. Here. Careful of the
You gotta hand it to me.
Don't hook me, don't hook me.
I am not going to.
Oh, shoot. What was that?
Heck, yeet. Because you dropped it. Now just, here, point it to me.
Ugh.
So, I just got out. Riley's coming out right now. Yeah, but it's all dirty. Dang
Did it flip the camera?
it. Maybe. Yep.
Okay, 'cause
So,
I thought I broke it and I was looking at it and I was like,
alright. So we just got out from back there. We're gonna go freaking fish on the bridge now because I saw a giant spider down there and I was like, heckin' no.
Heckin' no.
You got the bag and the fishing poles, right?
What?
You got the bag and fishing poles? Do you get your phone? I just made sure you had it.
Yeah. I'm glad you did.
Freaking Nebraska cornfields. All you see in Nebraska is creeks and lakes and cornfields. Freaking. Hey, they never know which Bell Creek it could be. But like, yeah. Our freaking. Oh!
That's where Josh caught that one fish because he was like on the bridge and no one would freaking take the pole, so he had to like prop it up.
Yeah.
And,
I saw that video.
Right down.
Hang on, come here. We're not fishing down here because of the mud, but
We could make it down there.
yeah, but
You see that spot?
yeah,
We can also go on the other side of the bridge.
yeah. Let's get up there.
Bridge fishing. Are we gonna do something?
I'm just gonna fish on the bridge with a bobber and crap and some corn. Oh!
You good?
Yeah. Oh, there's a truck. We have emerged from the depths, guys. I'm not gonna get this license plate. There's a doji. We just emerged from down there. And like, here, I gotta grab the box, right? We literally rode our bikes because it's the easiest way to get down here without a car. So, just put them in the bag. Oh, emergency. So my phone's only at 17% right now. So I'm just